all decided to go on a trip. And this has been our yearly tradition since same kami na anniversary date ng best friend ko. And this time, we all agreed to visit Puerto Galera. In this video, I'll be sharing with you our experience and expenses during our 3-day trip. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Quick story time. Our initial plan is to take the 7 a.m. fast craft trip, but unfortunately, hindi kami umabot. So our next plan is to take the 8 a.m. schedule ng ferry or ng Roub. Dumating kami ng Batangas port ng around 8 a.m. and nakapag-park kami sa park and sale nila at around 8:05. At this moment, tanggap ko na talaga na hindi kami aabot sa 8 a.m. schedule. Pero nung nasa loob na kami ng port and nakapila para bumili ng ticket, ang sabi sa amin is abot pa raw kami ng 8 a.m. and dalian na lang daw namin sa pagbili ng terminal fee. Madaling-madali na talaga kami niyan and tumatakbo na kami papuntang boarding gate and thank God umabot naman kami.
Saver yun.
Ang cute eh. Naging si Saver.
Cute. May makalaki.
Cute.
Basta cute.
Cute eh.
Sway for a minute, the play moves side to side.
Kaya pa? Kaya mo pa?
Ngayon natin, ngayon pa.
Ayan, sa ganyan. Magbabayad muna daw tayo.
Sa kanya nga ba?
Hindi, dyan.
So the process upon arrival in Puerto Galera is pretty quick and easy. Diretso lang kayo dun sa may tent and may makikita kayong pila for tourists. Ang requirements lang nila na hihingiin is yung QR code mo. And in our case, 4 kami but 1 QR code lang yung pinakita namin. If wala pang QR code, I'll put the link in the description box para makapag-generate ka ng QR code mo. And after that, pila lang ulit para sa environmental user fee, which is 120 pesos.
And now we go our separate pathways.
Paglabas mo ng gate, maraming tricycle na pwedeng sakyan papunta dun sa accommodation mo. But in our case, may free port transfer yung home suite na pag-i-stayan namin. Kaya paglabas namin ng port, nakaabang na yung sundo namin.
But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still.
So we book our tour and accommodation sa Roub and Roub Home Suites. The package costs 19,000 for 4 packs for 3 days and 2 nights. Inclusions are accommodation, port transfer, daily breakfast, island, and inland tour. So guys, if you're interested, I'll just put their Facebook page in the description box.
Tapos ito yung isa. Tapos may mga meal bundles na rin.
We belong together.
Sorry na. Ay, may
Me
pasta
and
oh.
you forever.
Tabi tayo ng electric fan. Diyan na lang.
Dito, isang haba.
Para man tayo nasa kantin.
Galit.
Mahangin ba dyan?
After eating lunch, nag-decide kami na pumunta sa White Beach kasi hindi pa raw available yung room namin. Good thing merong designated area na pwedeng pag-iwanan ng mga gamit dito sa accommodation namin. Hindi beachfront yung home suites namin. So, kailangan namin maglakad, I think more or less 5 minutes going to the White Beach. But it's fine and we don't mind since hindi naman sobrang layo. Dumating kami dito sa Puerto Galera ng Friday, so hindi pa ganun karami yung mga turista and meron din silang mga water activities na pwede nyong itry. Since sobrang init din, nag-decide kami na mag-ice cream and then after nun, bumalik na kami sa accommodation namin since almost check-in time na rin.
I'll be waiting, we can make it because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines.
Ako kanina ito walang salamin. Parang
Cause
sa...
you said this is all you want.
Ano? Katry na ba natin?
Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do.
Oo nga eh. Sarap pumunta.
Taking.
Pinapasa na nila. Hindi askal tawag eh. Forest dog ata yun.
Parang mas pangit.
Pwede magkatotal dyan? Sa tingin apat.
4,300.
Lahat.
19,500.
Rating sa 5K.
Halos.
8 reps na.
The room is pretty spacious. My only comment is medyo maraming kulang na gamit like cabinet and hanger. And then yung CR nila is walang sabitan ng towel. If magwo-work naman kayo during your stay, I would not recommend it since medyo mabagal yung wifi nila and minsan nagdi-disconnect din. So I think it's better if you have a backup internet. But overall, the accommodation is okay for its price. And comfortable din naman, kaya nagpahinga na rin kami after since wala pa talaga kaming tulog.
Chase that high that you provide. Drive my vibe to feel alive. Tell my mind to flow like tide, but it's hard. Starlight blur across state lines. Palm outside the face
Dinner. Sisig. And pork lamb po.